North Alabama real estate, where the rocket scientists are buying homes and apparently so are the algorithms.
We're covering two territories today, thanks to Veronetta. Whether AI can actually replace a Huntsville agent and how qualified buyers can purchase a home with little or no money down.
Let's start with the AI question, because it turns out the answer is more complicated than a chatbot will tell you. The premise here is straightforward. AI tools are genuinely impressive. Instant valuations, neighborhood analytics, investment projections. So the reasonable question is whether a buyer or investor still needs a human professional at all.
The post addresses that directly, and the answer is framed this way. The future of real estate is not a choice between technology and professional representation. Instead, it is a partnership between advanced AI tools and experienced real estate professionals who know how to apply those insights effectively.
So the argument isn't that AI is overhyped. It's that data processing and judgment are two different jobs.
Exactly. And the post is specific about where that gap shows up. AI can analyze job creation, building permits, school performance, and population migration to flag neighborhoods with appreciation potential. What it cannot do is walk through a house and recognize deferred maintenance, evaluate construction quality, or spot a foundation issue that doesn't appear in any database.
And then there's negotiation, which the post calls perhaps the strongest argument against full AI replacement, because every transaction involves people with different motivations that no algorithm can read in real time.
The post also flags something less obvious: information overload. Buyers now have access to automated valuations, market forecasts, and investment calculators that sometimes contradict each other. The agent's role increasingly includes helping clients decide which conclusions to trust.
So AI raises the floor on research quality and simultaneously raises the demand for someone who can make sense of it.
That's the through line. The post's conclusion is that buyers who rely solely on technology may miss critical factors, while those who ignore AI may miss opportunities the data surfaces first. The strongest position uses both. That question of access, what data can and can't show you, connects directly to how buyers get into the market in the first place. The post on no down payment home buying in Huntsville opens with a direct challenge to conventional wisdom that buyers must save 10 to 20% before entering the market.
Which, in a rising market, is advice that can age very poorly.
The post puts it plainly. Waiting several years to save a traditional down payment can sometimes result in paying substantially more for the same property if market values continue rising. VA loans, USDA rural development loans, and Alabama Housing Finance Authority programs like Step Up and First Step are all named as concrete pathways to zero or reduced down payment.
And the post is careful to separate no down payment from no costs. Closing expenses still exist, and buyers need to review loan estimates carefully. Right. The framing throughout is that these are legitimate, regulated programs used by thousands of buyers annually. Not loopholes, but structured tools for qualified applicants ready to own now rather than wait. Two big ideas. AI as a research partner rather than a replacement, and financing structures that move the starting line for buyers who are ready.
Both come back to the same thing: knowing what tools exist and how to use them. Next time, more from North Alabama on what that looks like in practice.